Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's take a look at levels of support, then we can take a look at resistance levels. There's now quite a few eyeballs on this one. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? That would be if the price can continue to stay up here above $3.40. I use the word continue very deliberately. When you look closely here, you can see that several times this afternoon, the price did try to break down through 340, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls have done a fantastic job of holding strong. So yeah, if that can continue to happen going forward, that would certainly be the best and biggest sign of power on the bulls' part. With that being said, though, don't misunderstand. If the price does drop below 340, I'm not saying that the entire chart is ruined or anything like that. That would just be the preferable area. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Once more, preferably speaking, yeah, stay above 340, but grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are currently hanging out at, first batch of them right here around $3.65. If the price can push up through $3.65, the next key overall area of resistance is just right where the party stopped today, and that was up there about $3.95. Anyway you look at it, though, nice movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.